Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a hacked Telegram account. All right, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, I would like for you to know that the only way that you can recover your Telegram account is by contacting support. Okay? Assuming that you didn't do the immediate recovery steps, such as terminating rogue devices. Okay? So if you can open up, or you can still open up your Telegram account, you can just go ahead over to the settings section. All right, so tap on settings right here at the bottom. Now go ahead and go to devices right here. And then what you'll do is just go ahead and terminate all other sessions. Okay, just go ahead and tap on it. And once done, you should be good to go. All right. And do make sure that once the hacker's device is not in the list, go ahead and go back and go to privacy and security. Now you're going to want to add in two-step verification. Okay. Now let's say, again, that you didn't do these immediate recovery steps. So what you'll do next, again, we'll have to contact support. So what you'll do is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type down Telegram support, and then hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on Telegram support right here. Now what you do is just basically fill in this form. Okay. Please describe your problem. Say, hi, my account was hacked. I can prove that I am the rightful owner. Just ask me some questions and I will provide whatever you want. All right, and once that's done, add in your full legal name, your email that is tied to your Telegram account. If you've forgotten it, you can just go ahead and add in a new email right here. And this is the email where Telegram support will get back to you. And then after that, add in your phone number and then just click on submit. All right, again, just wait for Telegram support's reply and continue chatting with them. And that is how you recover a hacked Telegram account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.